What if 2026 becomes the year your glasses replace your phone? Sounds bold, right? But what if this is the moment smart eyewear stops being a cool experiment and finally becomes something everyone actually wears? That's exactly the tension surrounding the fourth generation of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. If the first three generations were just testing the waters, the Ray-Ban Meta fourth gen feels like the real jump forward. And this time, it's not a small upgrade, it's a serious evolution. The biggest change everyone is talking about is the built-in display. Yes, a real in-lens display. Imagine looking straight ahead and seeing your notifications, camera preview, or quick updates without touching your phone. No more pulling your device out of your pocket every few minutes. Just a subtle heads-up interface layered over your natural view. Now, don't expect full sci-fi holograms floating in your living room. This isn't full augmented reality yet. The display is expected to cover roughly part of your field of vision, designed as a clean overlay rather than a fully immersive screen. You still see the real world clearly. The digital layer simply adds useful information on top. If Meta brings this in full color though, that changes everything. It moves these glasses much closer to true AR territory. But here's the catch. Power. Current Ray-Ban Meta glasses last around 4 hours on a charge. That's fine for short sessions, but not enough for an entire day. Adding a display increases power demands. That's a serious challenge. If Meta wants these to go mainstream in 2026, battery life must improve. People won't accept charging their glasses multiple times a day. So efficiency upgrades are not optional, they're critical. Then comes the camera. The existing 12-megapixel sensor works well for casual use and AI features like visual assistance, but 2026 demands more. Sharper sensors, better low-light performance, and higher resolution would transform these glasses from a novelty into a true content creation tool. Imagine capturing daily moments, travel clips, or quick social media content directly from your natural point of view, hands-free. For creators, vloggers, and everyday users, that upgrade matters. The more reliable and high quality the camera becomes, the more these glasses shift from accessory to necessity. And let's talk about the bigger picture. During past investor discussions, Mark Zuckerberg made it clear that smart glasses are central to Meta's long-term vision. The third generation feels like the make or break phase. If this version succeeds, we could see AI-powered glasses reach hundreds of millions of users worldwide. If it fails, smart eyewear risks staying niche. That's why 2026 feels different. Meta isn't just refining a product, it's pushing toward a new computing platform, one that blends AI directly into your daily vision. Voice commands, real-time assistance, instant information, all without lifting a finger. But there's one final factor that could decide everything: price. No matter how futuristic the features are, adoption depends on affordability. If Meta keeps the pricing competitive, these glasses could shift from tech curiosity to everyday lifestyle gear. So here we are. A sleek in-lens display, smarter AI, a stronger camera, better efficiency. The pieces are coming together. The real question is this: in 2026, will you still reach for your phone first, or will your glasses already know what you need?